Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome students. Hope you all are well. Let's start our lesson which is about land pollution. 1/4 of area is covered by land. Okay, 1/4 of the earth area is covered by land. Land is a earth which is occupied by people for shelter, occupation. Okay, this is the land where we live. Okay, farmers grow crops to supply the food that people need. We grow this crops on the land. If more and more crops are grown on the same land for many years, the plant use up the important minerals in the soil and no more plants can grow in the soil. Okay, students, we know this thing that when plants fulfill their requirements from the soil. Okay, when more and more crops they grow on the land, they absorb, they use all the important minerals from the land. Okay, so when we the all minerals they use up, so no more minerals left for the other plants which we grow in the next time. Animals feed on grass and small plants. Sometimes they eat all the grass. So no grass is left to hold the soil. Okay. So the soil can easily be blown away by wind or swept away by rainwater. Plants, they are very important for soil. Okay, because they hold the soil. When animals they eat all grasses and all plants, then now this soil will become weak. Okay, so it is easily removed by rainwater. It is called soil erosion. Okay, farmers use chemicals called weed killers to get rid of unwanted plants called weeds. They also use chemicals called pesticide to protect the crops from unwanted insects called pests. These chemicals are absorbed by plants. When people eat these plants, they also absorb some of the chemicals contained in them and their health may be affected. Okay, so now I will tell you briefly the main causes of land pollution. We can classify major sources in the following categories. Number 1, mining, erosion and quarrying. Okay, second, household garbage, urbanization and concentration of population, municipal solid waste, industrial waste and hazardous waste, uncontrolled land treatment, burning open dumps and forest fires, deforestation. These are the major causes of land pollution. Okay, when we remove plants and forest from the land to fulfill the requirement of people. Okay, when more and more industries and cities they are developed on the land, then due to these construction, land will become polluted. Okay, so deforestation, when we remove the forest. Okay, so due to these reasons land will become polluted. Okay students, in next lesson I will tell you the effect of land pollution. Thank you.